Hello guys, if you're new here, you're watching House of Love with Bianca Love Aim. A big thank you to all my returning subscribers. So on the menu today we are going to be making carrot oil. I'm going to show you guys how to make carrot oil. So but before we begin, please can you just strike on the red subscription button down below and also on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So for the ingredients, we have aloe vera, 4 carrots, coconut oil, and olive oil. So I'll first of all start by grating my carrot. That's the end results of the carrot of the grated carrot. And now I'm going to extract the gel from my aloe vera. So that's it. That's my aloe vera gel. And now in the pot I have my carrot, my grated carrot, and my adding my aloe vera gel. I'm going to add all the ingredients at once, my coconut oil and my olive oil. I'm going to cover and put on low heat for it to dry. After about 20 minutes I check and I give it a stir and I close it. I cover the pot again and allow it to dry for about 15 minutes. And that's it. Your carrot oil is ready. I'm just going to sieve. Okay, so now the question is, how are you going to use this carrot oil? Firstly, you use this carrot oil on your hair because it's very effective in combating hair loss, as they offer vital vitamins to your hair, making it thicker, shinier, longer, and stronger. So you can also use this carrot oil on your body. It's highly recommended for those with dry skin. Trust me, you rub it on your body, it helps to moisturize your body, it rejuvenates your body. You can also apply it on your face. It helps to cure wrinkles, pimples. In fact, carrot oil is just good. It makes you glow. Trust me. Try this out and thank me later. So see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye.